Hello, this is Lucy. Hello. It's our paper cutting time again. I'm going to share this pattern with you. And we need basic folding method 3. Do you have a triangular ruler with a 60 degree? Follow me. But if you want a more detailed instruction and want to know how to fold 60 degree with a piece of paper, there is a link to folding method 3 below this video. After we fold it, the pattern on the left is what we are going to draw today. When we start cutting, remember to cut the small details first, then go for the outline. So if you make a bad cut, you can use your creative to change other details or outline and save your paper cut. These two purple and a blue are our lucky colors today. These three colors are always get along well with each other. So drop your color wherever you want it to be and let them do the work themselves. Okay, we are all set. If you like it and want to see more pattern and color, subscribe now and tell me any color combination you would like to see. I will try it. Alright, see you next time.